Before you conquer the world, you must first conquer your mind. Because the real battlefield isn't out there, it's inside you. Every day you fight silent wars against doubt, fear, laziness, and pain. Most people lose those battles before they even begin, not because they're weak, but because they never trained their minds to fight back. A warrior doesn't wake up waiting for motivation. He doesn't wait for the perfect mood, the perfect day, or the perfect time. He builds discipline. When the world says rest, he says, one more round. When fear whispers, you can't, he replies, watch me. That's the difference between those who wish and those who win. You see, comfort is the silent killer of greatness. Every time you choose comfort over challenge, you weaken your mind. But every time you step forward, even when it hurts, even when it's hard, you grow. That's how warriors are built, not in moments of ease, but in storms of struggle. A warrior trains his mind the same way a soldier trains his body, through repetition, resistance, and pain. Every time he fails, he learns. Every time he falls, he rises stronger. He doesn't fear failure, because he knows failure is the price of mastery. The weak see failure as the end. The warrior sees it as the beginning. Every morning, you face a choice: stay the same or become stronger. You can feed your weakness or feed your focus. You can complain or you can train. Every thought, every decision, every action builds your inner soldier. You are either programming your mind for victory or allowing it to be programmed by fear. Warriors don't run from pain, they use it. They turn heartbreak into hunger. They turn rejection into energy. They turn doubt into fuel. When life gets hard, a weak mind says, why me? But a warrior mind says, try me. Because pain is not punishment, it's preparation. Your emotions are not your master, they are your tools. Control your anger, and it becomes power. Control your fear, and it becomes courage. Control your pain, and it becomes purpose. That's how a warrior lives, not by reacting to life, but by commanding it. A warrior knows discipline is freedom. The more he controls himself, the more power he has. While others waste time seeking motivation, he moves with purpose. While others chase comfort, he chases growth. That's the mindset that builds legends. One choice, one day, one habit at a time. When the mind is weak, even small problems break you. But when the mind is strong, even mountains bow down. You can't control what happens around you, but you can always control what happens within you. That's the real strength. Not in muscles, not in fame, not in money, but in mental mastery. So train your mind like a warrior. Discipline it, challenge it, push it to its limits. Because a strong mind will carry a weak body, but a weak mind will destroy even the strongest soul. You were not born to be average. You were not born to give up halfway. You were born to fight, to rise, to endure, to lead, to fall and rise again, stronger each time. When your mind becomes your ally, nothing and no one that can stop you. The world belongs to those who have mastered themselves. So stop waiting. Start training. Make your mind unshakable. Make your spirit unbreakable. Become the warrior you were born to be. If you want to build an unbreakable mind, subscribe, stay focused, and keep training like a warrior. Because your greatest weapon is within you.